All right, we got the head torqued down, we got the head on. It is time to start installing the valves and the rocker arm. So if I take a look, again, I'm looking for two of these long ones, which are the rocker arms. They're just rods. They don't matter. Intake and exhaust are the same thing. I'm going to take this bolt out. This is the valve cover bolt. I'm just going to put it off to the side. You should have two rocker arms. Two rocker pivots. And two nuts. And we're going to start out by putting our rocker arms in. Our rocker arm fits down in this hole, and you're going to feel it get on the tappet, and you can push it down so that the tappet is seated on the camshaft. There, I felt it go in. And they just sit down there like that. Then the rocker arms. You have on the rocker arm, again, they don't matter which side they're going on, you have a domed end, domed in, and domed out. This button end goes onto the end of the rocker arm, or sorry, the push rod, and the dome out goes onto the end of the valve. And then we put a pivot in. These threads are super, super fine. So it's important that we're really careful with these. And we have to do a little bit of setting here in a second. But we're just going to get the pivots on. And we're going to get it so it just doesn't, they can be loose. You just don't want them coming off the end of the rocker. Again, the dent in goes on the rocker arm. This rounded portion goes on the end of the valve. Hold it in place and put the pivot on. Now, some might go on further, some might go on less. Let's put them on so that they're tight and see what happens. We're going to go over and turn the crankshaft. And you're going to start to see these valves moving. And you're going to start to feel that crankshaft get a heck of a lot tighter. It's got a lot more stuff that are moving on it. There's a valve going. There, I got it rotating. Sometimes it's helpful to put the nut on the end of the crankshaft, just so I have something to grab onto. And I can see what's going on there. All right. That's the basics for getting those started. And then these are the valve lock nuts. So those nuts just go on that thread right behind that valve rocker. And what we're going to do is we're going to hold that rocker and we're going to tighten that nut down on it, and then that's going to lock that in place because there's an adjustment in there. So we have the valve started. Next video is adjusting valves.